Tapos may sisig cake.
Masarap. So good.
Ito? No bola?
Oh, good.
Dami niyang kin-
What is it? What, mommy? Huh? Tell the guys. Tell the guys. What do you want? So, ginger, onion, spring onion. Lagay na natin. You ready? Bah, lady. Bah, 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 bah. Bah. Good morning, everyone. Friday today. Anong 16, 15. No, anong date na ba ngayon? 16th na ng January. Alas 7 ng umaga, guys. So, naka-prepare na tayo. Ako ang nag-alaga kay Elia kagabi. So, hindi ako nakagawa ng lunch. But, hindi ko nakain yung lunch ko kahapon sa work. Kaya ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay magdadala lang ako ng snacks. So, ang dadalhin kong snacks ay hindi pala ako nakagawa ng chia seed. So, tsaka, strawberry. Tsaka, strawberry, tsaka yung baby cucumber. Yung aking snacks. Lagay ko na lang dito. So, na-wash na tong aking fruits. Kuha tayo ng dalawa kasi kay Aliyah yung iba. Isang baby cucumber cheese. And then, siguro konting grapes. Nuts. Then, kape. Saan si Daddy? Si Andy yung nagbibihis kay Aliyah eh. Hi, lady. Good morning. You're awake now? Kape tayo. Is she awake, babe? Half awake. Morning! Hindi pa siya gumigising. Pero nakabihis na. Oh, by the way, there's early naman this afternoon. Antok pa ako. Padalas. Kaya, Friday today, last day of work sa this week. And then next, pasok ko na is Tuesday next week. Si Aliyah gumising ng siguro 2 beses. Ginising niya ako. Tapos nung papikit pa lang ako, yung patulog pa lang yung mata ko, gumising na naman siya. Adi syempre nakikita ng mom siya niya. O di, gising yung diwa ko. Tapos, nung siguro mga naka 20 minutes akong tulog, aba yung alarm ko naman nang gising sa akin. Kaya, talagang antok is life. Antok is life. Yan ang buhay. Siguro kung hindi ako maagang pumapasok na ngayon, pwede, okay, paso na. Gigising ako alas 7. Tapos, maliligo. Papasok na alas 8. Ngayon, iba. Gigising ng 6:30. Papasok ng 7.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Continuation ng ating vlog from this morning. Time check ay magsa 7 p.m. na. It's 6:50. Ayan. So, nilulutuan ko na si Aliyah ngayon ng kanyang dinner. Nagbo-boil ako ng carrots. At saka, lulutuan ko siya ng omelette egg. Cheese with cheese and red pepper. Ayan. Sana magustuhan niya at sana kakain siya. Tapos magti-take away na lang kami ni Andy. Siguro. Diyan lang naman yun. Malapit lang yung take away shop. Kung saan bibili si Andy. Lutuan na natin si baby ng dinner para ready na siyang matulog mamaya. So, ayan, nilulutuan ko siya ng omelette. Tapos ito yung kanyang carrots. So, tignan ko nga kung anong pwede naming i-dinner ni Andy para hindi na kami mag-take away, di ba? Meron ditong pork. Parang pork chop. Magugustuhan naman kaya. What is it? What, mommy? Huh? Tell the guys. What do you want? Dede. She wants Dede. What did you say? Dede. What do you want? Dede. Gusto daw niya ng Dede, guys. Dede, I made you dinner. Gusto daw niya ng Dede or water. She wants water. Nauuhaw siya. Yan guys, oh. Sabi niya, Dede, pero nauuhaw siya. Drink some more. I'm just telling the guys. You wanna drink water. Drink some more. Do you wanna try your food? Mommy cook for you? Yeah? Nauhaw ang baby. Ito yung karne. Kaso ito kasi pork steak flavored. Sticky maple glaze. Pero ang gagawin ko ay, meron ba ako dito? Meron akong sisig mix na galing sa ano ba yun? Sana andito pa. Wala. Ay, naku, wala. Ay, naku, nag-i-imagine ang mami. Hala. Gusto pa man din ni Andy yung sisig. Sandali, tignan natin. Kasi yung mamasita na mamasita, ipo-pour mo lang sa na chop-chop na. Ay, naku, baka wala nga akong sisig. Ay, wala. Nag-i-imagine ako. Bakit ganun? Akala ko may sisig ako.
Tinola. Pansit bihon, sinigang. Ay, ano ba yun? Wala pala akong sisig. Ito na yung ating ingredients. Come on, lady. Umiiyak si lady kasi gusto niya ng attention. Okay, lady. So, ginger, onion, spring onion. Lagay na natin. I-chop-chop na natin siya, guys. Pero mapaparice tayo eh, you know? You know what I mean? Ano lang, controlled lang. Huwag masyado. Hey, baby! Ay, popsicle! Hello. Ba! Can I have some popsicle? Say hi to the guys, oh. Hi, guys! Which one? This one? You blow the candle? Oh, blow the candle? No, which one then? Blow the candle? No? How about carrots? Do you want the carrots? Mwah! 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 Which one? The bali, ah? Say hi to the guys. Oh, tapos si lady, tahol ng tahol. Yeah. Got long hair na anak ko. Look at you. You're so pretty naman. Yeah. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Show mommy. That's mommy's phone. Hey. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Up. Who's that? Who's that? Is it you? Is it you, Aliyah? Yeah. Where's your eyes? Show mommy your eyes. Where's your eyes here? Where's the eyes? There? There. Ooh. Ooh. There. Okay, leave it then. Leave it. That's mine. Nope. Nope. Hi guys, luto na yung pork. So, hati-hatiin na natin to ng maliliit for the sisig. Actually, hindi ito yung totoong sisig. Modified. So, luto na yung ating sisig for hubby. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Sabi niya, dagdagan pa ng chili. Sabi niya, wag na. So, wag na. Masarap na, guys. Yan. Sisig for tonight. Sarap. Wait, how's my sisig, babe?
Masarap. So good.
No? No bola?
Oh, good.
Dami yung kinakain. Look, oh. Show them your plate, ah. Your favorite? Filipino.
My favorite.
It's the Ilocano sisig. But the meat is flavored. That's why you taste a bit. And kimchi. Let's put kimchi on our plate for healthy gut.
See, that's what she did. Like that.